Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Deb. I thought I'd come and kind of show you a little bit of what I've been doing. I've been making paper ruffles. I've been, yeah, it takes a while to make them, but I made quite a few, so I've got a lot in my stash now. So loads and loads of rolls. I've rolled them up, and oh, I just love them. So I had a lot of old scrapbook papers, and I think one was called Out of Print. I don't know if you remember that one or not. Anyways, I just figured I'm just going to use strips and go for it, and I spent a number of hours making these. So I have lots. This was a wider one that I thought I would just sort of try, but yeah, that might be nice as a belly band maybe, but they're fun. Just zigzag down the middle, and I use my pokey tool with my sewing machine to kind of scoop this like under as I go, scoop it under, and it kind of keeps everything sort of straight. I didn't get everything perfect, but mostly I did. And I have another thing that came in the mail actually a couple of days ago from Annette. Annette has a Facebook group called Luscious Laces, and I ordered from her some lace kits. Actually, they're called, this one here is called, I'll just do one at a time, Vintage Doily Book Kit A. So I'm going to pull them out. I'll show you. I don't know which way to go with this. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So this is all that came in the kit. So there's a beautiful ribbon with some gold trim in it, and oh, those flowers are beautiful. Maybe I'll scoot you in a little bit. I think you're out there far, so you can at least get a better view. So those are the flowers, and this trim. It's so gorgeous. I love it very much. And some lovely doilies. Oh, look at this lace. Oh, isn't this scrumptious? Yeah, this is the right way. It's beautiful. I love that. And this one, anything eyelet. For me, anything eyelet is just up my alley. I love eyelet. I love this. So I'm just going to pick these up and grab what's under here and flip it over. So I got, that is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now, which is the right way? I think it's this way. Maybe not. I don't know. It's this way. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can see the gold in that. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. And I got this doily. It's beautiful. beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. How sweet is that? I got it the right, yeah, that's the right way. So I got a little piece of that and some more cotton doily. Beautiful. And all of these can be cut if you want. I love this. It's so nice to get a kit because you get so much variety. I like that. Oh, that's just beautiful. It's kind of silky. Yes, it's beautiful. And got this one. How lovely. It's just lovely. Oh. This is the whole thing. So I've got, it's double. And it's got that on one corner. Oh. My wheels are turning already. This one, I think I've got it there. How lovely. I think she is sold out of this one. And the other one, I will show you in a minute. I think she sold out of both of these, but she has kits all the time. So this is gorgeous. I love the trim all the way around. It just is all the way around. And then on one corner, you have that. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. So, these, she sends you this, because it's for a doily book, she sends you the inside, the batting, and say the outside, but either way. So that's like one book, but I think I'll make them smaller so I get more out of this. And here's another one. So you're getting the batting and the in and out, inside and outside. So they're pretty big, and I think I could get quite a few doily books out of this kit. Put that, oh, and she has a thank you. I'm just going to put these all here for a minute so you can see. She's got a thank you gift here. I'm going to open that last because I still have another kit to show you. So this was Vintage Doily Book A. So, and I ordered 2 from her. Oh, I was so excited to get them. Oh my goodness. I want to keep them separate so that I know what's what. And I ordered kit B as well. I'm just going to pull that out. Pink flowers. Oh, yeah. Love that. So we got pink flowers, some pink, it's like I was going to say grosgrain. I don't know if it is. I don't know my ribbons very well. It's a beautiful ribbon though. Here's another one of those appliques. And another one of these laces, or what do you call them? Doilies. Oh, this is pretty. Very pretty. And more of this. That's going to look nice. A lot of the laces and whatnots are very similar to the other one, if not identical. A little bit less of this one, but that's all right. And you've seen this one already from the other kit. And I think, is this one different? No, it's the same. This one's the same. This one's the different. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I love this. That is just beautiful. 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 And then, oh, there's more. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Let's see. Oh, these are different. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. I love that. Oh, this one is exquisite. I love this a lot. It's just beautiful. Annette, these are awesome. Look at that. Look at the dangles on that. It's beautiful lace. Oh, I've never seen anything so beautiful. And this one's lovely too. I like that one a lot. Beautiful. So then I have the same, the batting and the in and out covers. So I have plans for those doily books. And this was a thank you from Annette. I'm trying to save the bag, if I can. And I did. So I'm not sure what she said. Oh, lovely. Oh my goodness, look. There's a lot here. Wow. She sent quite a few different things here. Oh, thank you so much, Annette. That's beautiful. I love that. And this is gorgeous too. Oh, I love that so much with the holes through it. That's gorgeous. This one is very beautiful too. They're all beautiful. Everything is just stunning. And I love these little flowers. I'm just going to take one out to show you. Or maybe two. One here, one here. Kind of hold them up for you to see. See? They're so dainty. Just love that. So thank you so much, Annette, for the extras. That is so kind of you to do that. And I love my kits. Thank you. And I will leave a link below for her YouTube channel and also for the Facebook group. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye now.